Alright, so today I got a bunch of goodies in for the truck. Got some ceramic pads, got the brake shoes, got the springs. Alright, so she's jacked. Always use a jack stand. It's off. Alright, so before I compress the pad there, gotta go ahead and always. Alright, so we got two 19mm bolts back here. They're ready to go loose. Alright, so I went ahead, loosened that 14mm bolt off. Got the brake shoes off. It does use these little clamps here to hold the shoes in place. I'll show you that when I reassemble it. Alright, so I'm securing the brake pad there, the brake caliper, sorry. And let's go ahead and get this off. So let's go ahead and get this one on here. Alright, so got the rotor on. Let's go ahead and secure the caliper back on. I'm gonna tighten this first. But okay, now let's get those pushed in. Alright, so unfortunately I made the mistake of pulling the caliper off. So usually I do it with the brake shoe on, so I'm using a little steel plate and a C-clip here to put. Alright, so got the brake shoes in. So the next thing is you got these little C-clips here, and they go in that little hole and in this little hole. And then you have to repeat the same for the one on the bottom. So there's two. Right? And then just make sure this is moving and it's flush. Alright, so that's a side-by-side comparison of the brake pads, so you can see the difference. So these were kind of worn, so I feel a little bit better about doing this. So let's go ahead and get this wheel mounted and do the same thing on the other side.